44 pounds and counting following a plant-based lifestyle. Let's make a hearty barley and lentil soup that's not only delicious but perfect for fat loss. This soup is packed with fiber, protein, and flavor to keep you full and satiated. Let's get into it.
Here's what you'll need for a nutrient-dense soup. 1 medium onion, 4 garlic cloves, 4 medium carrots, 4 celery stalks, 1 cup of green lentils, 1 cup of barley, some seasonings and herbs, diced tomatoes, and vegetable broth. First, let's saute up our onions, carrots, celery, and garlic cloves in a bit of olive oil or in water if you're oil-free. This builds up a flavorful base. After about 3 to 4 minutes, add in your cumin, smoked paprika, pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and bay leaves. Let that cook for another minute or so to bring out all that amazing flavor. Now we're adding in our lentils and barley. Lentils are an amazing source of plant-based protein, and barley is loaded with fiber to keep you fuller longer. Keep in mind that I did wash both the lentils and the barley before putting it in the pot. Make sure to give it a good mix and then add in your diced tomatoes and broth. Now you guys know, if you've been watching my videos for a while, that I'm using my all-time favorite broth brand, Better Than Bouillon. For this specific recipe, I am using their no chicken broth, but you can also substitute that with vegetable broth and it will be just as delicious. We're going to bring this to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes. Check occasionally and give it a stir to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. By the end of the cooking process, your barley is going to be plump and your lentils are going to be tender. If you like acidity, now would be the time to squeeze in a little bit of lemon juice to brighten it up, and it also helps with more absorption of iron. Finally, we add the soup to a bowl and we sprinkle it on with some fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro.
This barley and lentil soup is perfect for your meal prep and it will keep you on track for your health goals. If you love this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to get more plant-based, fat loss friendly meals. Until next time, remember, healthy does not mean boring.